Getting ready to register? Here's what you need to know. Start by logging into STU-VIEW. Start by heading to the STU-VIEW landing page and look for the Preparing for Registration card. Scroll down and click on the link that says Check your registration start time. Once the page opens, take a moment to read the important details. It covers everything from when registration opens and closes, to step-by-step instructions and a helpful user guide. It's worth going through, as it'll make your registration process way easier. You'll also find key dates for the term, like the last day to add or drop a course, and deadlines for withdrawing with a refund or academic penalty. When you're ready to find your program, click on the name of your academic center to see all the programs listed. Or, use your browser's search function, usually Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac, to quickly find your program code, like C100. Once you find your program, scroll back up and click the academic center name, like Community Services, and then scroll down to find your specific program. Make sure you're looking at the correct semester you're entering, for example, Semester 1 for new students. Also, check the registration type for your program. Some programs will ask you to pick a cohort before registering. Some will have a cohort already assigned. Others don't use cohorts at all. That's called regular registration. You'll see a column showing your registration start date and time. This is when your registration window opens. You won't be able to register before that, so mark your calendar and set a reminder. If your program needs a cohort selection, you can only choose it once your registration time has officially started. And just a heads up, registration dates and times can sometimes change, so check back regularly to stay up to date.